This is question 1 from the new A-Level Maths Edexcel Spec. So this is question 1, and it's the first question across the new papers. So a small angles approximation. So it's quite a nice question to start with. So let's have a go at tackling this. Now the key bits of information that you need, you're given in the formula book, right? The new small angle approximations. So sine theta is approximately theta, cos theta is approximately 1 minus theta squared over 2, and tan theta is also approximately theta. So theta has to be measured in radians, so hopefully that's something you already know, right? Now we've got this expression here. We've got 1 minus cos 4 theta divided by 2 theta times sine 3 theta. So we're going to have to just use the approximations where we need them. Well, let's deal with the numerator first. So we've got 1 minus cos 4 theta. So let's use this approximation here. We've got cos theta, right? So we're going to have to use that. So what this is, so this is 1 minus. Now cos 4 theta, well, cos theta is 1 minus theta squared over 2. So all I'm going to do is replace it, and where there's a theta here, I'm going to just replace it with my 4 theta. So I'm going to put a 4 theta squared here. So this is the same as 1 minus. So if I do it in a bracket, it might be a bit easier to see. 1 minus. So we're using this formula now. 1 minus. Theta squared. Well, theta here is 4 theta. So it's going to be 4. Should be 4 theta all squared. That's all squared. Divided by 2. That's my numerator. So we're going to simplify that in a second. And my denominator is going to be 2 theta sine 3 theta. So that's going to be 2 theta. So that'll just be 2 theta. That can't change. 2 theta times sine 3 theta. So sine 3 theta, that's just going to be 3 theta. Where there's a theta, it becomes 3 theta. So that's times 3 theta. So let's have a go at simplifying this, guys. So now, let's deal with the numerator first. 1 minus 1. Well, then 1's just going to cancel, right? So that's 1 cancels with that 1 because we're subtracting it. I've got minus of a minus, so this is going to become positive now, right? So this becomes plus. So let's deal with the 4 theta. 4 theta squared, well, that's going to give me 16 theta squared. That's part of it. We're still dividing by the 2, so divide by 2. And then we're dividing the full thing by 2 theta times 3 theta. So 6 theta squared. 6 theta squared. We're nearly there, guys. Let's just finish it off. So what this becomes is 16 theta squared divided by 2, so that's 8 theta squared. 8 theta squared divided by 6 theta squared. Well, the theta squares are just going to cancel. So that's just going to leave me with 8 over 6. Oh, that's a really bad 8. 8 over 6. And 8 over 6, well, that's just the same as 4 over 3. And that's what you need for your 3 marks. So you're just using your approximations and then replacing your thetas where appropriate. So that's 3 marks done. Hopefully it's nice and clear.